So I wanted to show you guys this little diagram that I drew showing how we can go from one to the other. So the electron dot structure is like the most simple form of structure that we drew in Gen Chem. Basically what we had was that we drew out every electron explicitly, and we would show that every single bond was made by the sharing of 2 electrons. Okay? Then when we converted to Lewis structure is also used in Gen Chem, so you should be aware of it. But Lewis structure was just a little bit different. The only difference is that instead of showing the dots being shared, it replaced dots with sticks. So what it did was, anytime that you had dots being shared, it replaced them with sticks, and that was a Lewis structure. But notice that a Lewis structure is still kind of annoying because I have to draw every carbon, I have to draw every hydrogen, and I have to draw every lone pair. So it's going to take me a long time to draw everything in Lewis. So then we decide, okay, well, is there a faster way to do this? Well, Bondline, look how fast that is to draw. Because I'm ignoring the carbons. I'm just saying that every corner represents a carbon. Okay? I'm ignoring all of the hydrogens attached to carbon because I'm just assuming that if this carbon has 2 bonds, that must mean that it has 2 hydrogens. And if this carbon has 1 bond attached to it, then it must have 3 hydrogens. All right? Then I'm implying the lone pairs. I'm not drawing them because I'm assuming that it has enough lone pairs to fulfill its octet. And then lastly, I am including that H because it would be confusing if I didn't include the H. All right? So that is the way Bondline works. And that's what we're going to do basically for the rest of this topic. We're just going to do a bunch of practice problems for this. So